poster, that is false. We've not heard of any picture sent to the president, and if so, that means you did not use the right protocol to send the picture. With that, I'll have the guild president answer the rest of your questions, and we shall close. So the first question was, your father wants you to apologize for what transpired.
Like I've highlighted in my speech, as a son and as a Muganda boy or man, it is utterly very disrespectful of me to speak back to my father. And I request that issues regarding my family or what my father did in his capacity, I cannot speak anything more to what he said. However, like I've told you, I had a conflict between my personal beliefs and public responsibility. I believe for my actions, I was only fulfilling my official duty as the guild president. But it is very indisciplined of me to respond to my father, and I request we narrow my discussions elsewhere rather than family. Thank you.